There are people who think they are above the law just because they are wealthy. For instance, this rich couple got high on shrooms, and when the police arrived, they both started to act wildly.
Stop. She needs to understand what's happening. Walk over here. Walk over.
There's also a girl whose entitled behavior is simply hard to describe.
I'm not under the influence, and tell your sister to go off!
Wasted rich lady who completely destroyed her $300,000 Bentley. But first, let's look at a 24-year-old girl who thinks she has the right to endanger lives and behave recklessly on the road because her father owns the place, or so she claims.
11, I'll be out with the Tesla on North Bahama Drive.
She ignores the officer and immediately starts driving away.
Hey! Hey! Why are you running from me? Why are you running? Don't get out of the... Stay in the vehicle right now. Both hands, stay in the vehicle.
No, honestly, why?
511, she's getting out.
What is all this?
Come here. Come here. Stand in front of my patrol vehicle right now. Right now. Ma'am.
Sorry, what are you accusing me of?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you need to come over here right now.
Why?
Because I'm telling you to. You're running from me.
I did not. I'm right here.
Yeah. Now you are. You need to get over here right now.
For what?
Turn around!
For what?
511, she's refusing to comply. Hey! Get out of the vehicle.
You got me up, bro. I own this.
Actively resisting. Get out of the... Get out of the vehicle! She's taking off! We're stopped again. Turn off the vehicle! Sheriff's office!
Dude, I don't know. The police just stopped me over. Oh my god, Dad!
And so it begins, but the real escalation is yet to come. The officer had good reason to pull her over, as concerned neighbors reported a female driver recklessly driving a Tesla through the streets. She ignores the officer's commands, flees at 60 miles per hour, and resists in such a way that she's already racked up several charges from the get-go. She mentions that her father owns the island and casually talks to her dad on the phone in front of the officer, but it's already clear that money and her father's influence won't be of much help here.
What are you doing?
Don't resist.
What are you doing, dude? You didn't even know me. Dad, they're arresting me.
Stop resisting!
Dad! Dad!
Get on your...
Dad! They have me on the floor! Dad! Dad! I don't know what I did! What am I doing? Why are you doing this?
One detained.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Okay, let go of your phone.
No, I'm not. My dad is on the phone. And he's...
Hey!
Hey!
You are not gonna kick me. This is not okay. Get your leg over here and turn over. April, she's actively fighting still. No, this is what happens when you flee and then you kick me.
I didn't flee and I didn't kick you.
So those lights and sirens mean nothing? We're just out
Can
here.
I call my father?
No.
He owns the island.
511, you can
Okay.
release the air.
Call my father.
I'm not calling your dad.
Then what are you
How
gonna
old
do?
are you? How old are you?
I'm 24.
Okay, 24. We don't need to call your dad.
Yeah, you're right. And you're not gonna take me in either.
As a 24-year-old, she's legally considered an adult and is responsible for her actions. The police are under no obligation to contact her father in such a situation. It seems the suspect isn't fully aware what is going on if she thinks her father, regardless of who he is, can rescue her from this chaos. The officers had to use force to subdue her as she actively resisted arrest. Next, she will reveal some details from her past that will better explain this situation.
You know Dad's gonna come right here.
You could have killed someone.
Yes, you could
Yeah, I
have.
could have killed you too, but you're alive, right?
Okay.
Can you notify?
No, I'm not notifying anyone. You want to put her in the back?
Why?
Can you pass search her?
Wait, what's
Yeah.
happening?
I haven't done.
Why?
I mean, she's
What did
sick
I
one. I
do?
can smell it.
Yeah, I know.
What did I do?
You ran from me.
You ran. That's one. Two.
Ran from what?
Him. How much? You know what? I'm not even gonna ask you any questions.
Yeah, what did I do? Bro,
Okay, for the third time, you fled.
I dropped my
fled from
flash.
what?
Can you get my
He
flashlight?
ran too.
Do you have anything on you that's
No,
gonna
I
cut
don't.
Me? Okay. Well, don't act all shocked.
No, I just like I'm shocked because this never happened.
Okay, well,
Please call my dad.
no. Listen.
No, I need my dad here before you do anything to me.
No, that's not how this works. You're 24 years old. Turn around.
I don't care.
That was an adrenaline rush.
I didn't do anything wrong, and I need my dad here, bitch.
And then she runs back in the vehicle, rolls up the window, and then takes off flying even faster, like 80 miles
Who
an hour.
are you?
He's the police.
I didn't know that.
I know that's where it was.
Oh, you are not doing this.
You're lucky I didn't tase you. I swear.
You need to talk to my father and stop holding me like this.
You're 24 years old. You're an adult. You
I
don't
don't
need your
care.
dad.
This is his property.
It's not. We're on the. We're on.
Why are you doing this?
Ma'am,
I'm not under the
Ma'am,
influence.
listen to me.
Dude, my
do you?
I have 3 houses here.
I suspect that you are under the
I was
influence.
just in one of them. and
Do you
going
want to
the other.
participate in standard field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief that you're driving under the influence?
Yes, of course I'm not.
you're-
I'm not driving. I've
Ma'am,
been clean.
you need to
I've
listen
been
to
clean
me.
for 3 years. I've been clean for 3 years.
Okay.
I don't know why this is happening to me.
She claims to have been sober for 3 years, which implies she had issues with alcohol in the past. The officer tries to determine if she is currently under the influence, but she refuses to undergo tests. While refusal to take a sobriety test does not automatically prove guilt, in some jurisdictions, the refusal can be used as evidence against the individual in court, particularly in DUI cases. For now, this young woman could face multiple charges: reckless driving, fleeing from law enforcement, resisting arrest, and possible DUI. And since she would not calm down, the officers will eventually allow her to talk to her father.
Are you gonna do field sobriety exercises, ma'am? I need to know if you're.
I need you to bring my dad on
No,
site.
no, that's not gonna happen. Ma'am, I need to know. Are you gonna do field sobriety exercises or not? Who is this guy?
When? That's my dad.
Okay, well he's gotta go.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dad!
Ma'am.
Dad!
Oh.
Dad! Dad!
I have no sympathy for you right now. You could have easily killed someone. There are little kids that live in this neighborhood. The fact that you would run from me and
Walk
go
up
such
on
a
him
high
like that
speed-
again.
You do not know how lucky you are you didn't kill someone.
That's how you got your empathy, right?
All right, I don't know if we can do it, but she's resisting.
Yeah. No.
Dad! Can I talk to him?
Nope.
Never
We're going in the car.
Dad, how's it going?
Get in.
I don't know.
Get in! Get in!
Dad! Dad!
We got resisting with violence.
You have a hobble?
You didn't tell me why you're bringing me in the car.
Because you were going to jail.
Why?
You have to calm down.
Well, why are they?
Copy 7245 You've been drinking. And you were speeding.
Why am I going to jail?
Because you were speeding, you ran stop signs.
Where was I speeding?
Well, that's probably you don't know.
Well, what, do they know?
We don't have.
Dad! They didn't read me my rights, and they don't tell me why I'm going in.
We told you.
If you resist, you're gonna catch more charges.
I'm not resisting. I'm right here.
Get in the car then, right now.
Dad! What is happening?
We've told you.
No, but like I doing? Why?
She got out of her cuffs.
You got it out of the cuffs?
Yeah. That's still not tight enough?
No.
Tight. It hurts.
Yeah, you've already slipped out of it once.
I can, but that can't.
I have zero sympathy for you right now. You could have killed yourself, others, and me.
But I didn't.
After being arrested, her blood alcohol concentration was measured at the police station and found to be 0.268, which is more than 3 times the legal limit. Thus, she was extremely intoxicated while recklessly driving the Tesla. She has been charged with everything previously mentioned: DUI, reckless driving, fleeing and eluding, as well as resisting with violence.
Hi. Do you have a driver's license on you? And your insurance?
I want to call my dad first.
Okay, but I still need your driver's license and insurance, okay?
My grandma died.
I'm sorry.
That's what happened
Today?
today.
I'm so sorry.
And I was going to the special cemetery. And that's when I got into the car accident.
So you were coming today to pay your respects, grieve, or just to visit her today?
I was coming here to to pay my respects for my grandma.
I understand that. So, what happened here? How did this occur? How did the accident?
Because she was too close to my end, and when I went into there and I pulled, you know what? Tell her just stop.
Well, she's just taking her whatever photo she needs for the insurance. How much did you have to drink today?
I didn't have anything.
That's not your driver's license either, man.
Oh, my driver's license.
Yeah. So how much did you drink today?
None. I did not. I have 2 different breathalyzer things in my car.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do.
Where are they?
Did you not see me point to them?
Well, those are garage door openers. All right, Christina, I need your phone number for the report.
Yeah, and I'm gonna talk to in private.
That's not a phone.
From the very first contact, Christina showed signs that she has consumed something, which led to her causing an accident. Police were called because she crashed into another woman's car, but as you saw, she was not even aware of it and instead blamed the other woman for the accident. She mistook a paper wipe for a mobile phone, garage openers for breathalyzers, and like the previous girl, wanted to call her dad before having any discussion. However, this is just the beginning.
You know what?
Mm-hmm.
Don't ever remain me as a dumb.
I'm not.
Yeah, you did. You said,
Christina,
I'm trying to. Guess what my brother-in-law is? A lot ahead above you.
It's good.
Yeah. So, shut the hell away from me. Get away from me.
Alright, Christina, can you step out of the car for me?
Yeah.
Alright. Step right back here for me, okay? You said no medication, nothing?
Shut off.
I'm on medication.
Alright. The reason I'm asking is the way you're speaking and the way you're acting, you're holding up a hand wipe as a phone. Alright? And you're telling me that you were trying to turn in here, but you went straight across this way and slammed into her.
Scared about what was happening.
So how much did you have to drink today?
Today, I didn't drink anything.
Okay.
I was here for my babshas.
Right.
Gravy.
Right.
And that's all I was.
Okay. What'd you take today?
I didn't take anything today, officer.
What I want you to do is I want you to stare at the tip of my pen, alright? Using your eyes and only your
and
eyes.
I can't wait for my dad to pull you over.
Perfect.
How many times are you gonna do it till you know I can do it?
It's a few times, unfortunately. I gotta go through all the steps.
And then you're gonna run into my dad. And he's gonna tell you to go.
Christina, can you do this for me?
I've done it! I think you're the retarded one. Oh, I can't wait for you to meet my father.
So that's what I want you to do. Alright,
Oh.
you can.
What, you want me to stand on my hand with 1, 2
No.
feet? 3, 4, 5.
Christina, I gotta give you the rest of the directions, see? You gotta go back, okay?
You know what? I want my attorney.
Okay, stop.
Present.
Stop.
I
stop,
want.
Stop.
No, you
All right,
do
turn
not
around.
touch
Christina, turn
me.
around. Put your hands behind your back.
You do not touch
Turn
me.
around. Put your hands behind your back.
I want to talk
Turn
to
around.
my
Put your hands
attorney.
behind your back. You can call them when we get to the station. Turn around, please. Okay?
You are
Turn
hurting
around.
me.
Turn around. All right. You're under arrest for DUI. Christina, is your phone in your purse? Or is it in the car? I don't want to leave it behind.
How would I know?
Because it's your stuff.
How am I under arrest?
This is your phone, right? Yep.
That would be my phone.
Perfect. Alrighty.
How am I under?
This childish behavior is hard to explain even when it involves a person who is not sober or is under the influence of something. Christina persistently invokes her father, although nobody can save her from this situation. She was arrested for DUI and will be taken to the station, and the police officer is now questioning the injured party who claims Christina saw her and still crashed into her at full speed. This is why routine traffic stops are important. They help to locate dangerous drivers before they endanger the lives of others. Now let's see what Christina had to say at the police station.
And don't touch my purse like that, unless you want to pay for it.
You mean putting it down?
The way you are holding it.
By the handles?
Do you want to purchase that purse yourself?
Not my style, but...
I want to talk to my father first. How about that? Okay?
That's fine. He can do
I
that.
want to talk to my dad.
But I still have to...
It's his mom who is getting buried today.
Sorry.
How do you not have a goddamn heart?
I do.
No, you don't.
And I tried speaking to
No,
him on the
you
street.
don't.
Okay?
Because of what was going on.
And I understand that.
I'm
And
not
cause
under
of
the influence, you dumb
Okay.
I literally cannot hear you.
Okay. Well, I already read it to you.
Blah, 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 blah.
Do you understand these words as I have read them to you?
No, blah, 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 blah. Can I have my expensive purse back? And then you're gonna say that I'm
Christina, you have to wear the cuff.
Give me my goddamn phone now!
Christina, you just sit down, please.
No! Give me my phone now! Dad, I got arrested coming to your mother's funeral. Okay? Yeah. So you tell your sister that she is not part of my family. They said that I'm under the influence. I'm at the Niles police station. Come and get me now. And tell your sister to go off. I don't ever want to talk to your sister ever again. I don't care.
Following this bizarre arrest, Christina was charged with DUI alcohol, failing to reduce speed to avoid an accident, and improper lane usage. She was released on an I bond, which allows a person who has been arrested to be released from custody without the need to pay bail. This next case is totally different from the others. The police received a domestic dispute report in which a female reported that a man was waving a weapon. When they arrived at the location, they had quite a story to hear.
Hello.
Hello.
Sheriff's office.
Oh, come on in.
You guys called?
My name is Effie, E-F-F-I-E.
Okay. Same last name?
No.
Okay.
We never actually got married.
That's okay.
We
Okay.
lived in Australia.
And then what
We
is
lived
your...
in Singapore.
What's your husband's date of birth?
He's July 27th, 1972.
Okay, cool.
He is a Leo. They freaked out because we did the mushrooms. We told
They didn't
them.
freak out about mushrooms. They freaked out about him pulling out a gun.
He didn't pull out a gun.
Okay, well, we're gonna talk to him about that, okay?
That's okay.
And we need to talk to him independently.
Yeah, it's my house, and I will independently be
Come on,
there.
let's go.
Let's go.
You can start walking, we'll drive.
All right, let's go. No, it's right down the street. We can all
Oh,
walk.
well, we got cars. Yeah.
All right.
We have other things to do, so we're gonna drive, okay?
No, this is my husband.
I'm aware of who he is. We need to talk to him alone.
No, I'm here with my husband. I will not be alone.
Less words are better.
All right, go.
All right.
How do I help you, sir?
All we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down to our cars and talk alone.
All right.
All right. You mind if I search you real quick, sir? Is that okay? Nothing pointy, nothing.
Who is that?
That's okay. I'm asking.
Hey, sir, will you go back home?
That's our neighbor.
Listen.
No, I can't.
Go back.
Back off.
Ma'am, if you don't back away from me right now, you're going to be under arrest. Effie,
Oh,
okay?
really?
Yes, you will. Listen.
I'm
telling you right now.
You just arrest people for you're in my house, in my face.
I'm conducting an investigation.
For what? My husband did nothing. This is my house.
Back away from me now.
No, just because you're a cop, you can't.
Away from me.
No, you're in my house, on my.
space.
You're in my house.
Okay, you called me here.
I didn't call you. I didn't call you. This is my house.
Can you walk
I
to the
never
door,
called
please?
you. I'm Greek. Get off. Get off my house.
Away from me.
No.
Back away from me.
You just pushed me.
Yes, I did. Back away from me.
You're a policeman that pushed me in my house. You better get off.
All right.
No, don't you dare touch me. Don't you dare touch me. Get away. No.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, I'm not. Get off me. Get off me. Andrew. Get off me.
Waving a gun around, especially while under the influence of drugs, is a serious offense and can be charged as brandishing a weapon, reckless endangerment, or other related firearms violations. The wife's refusal to allow the officers to speak to them separately, and her aggressive behavior is simply wrong because separate interviews are a standard procedure in domestic incidents or situations involving potential violence. While individuals have the right to ask officers to leave their property, this does not apply if the officers have a lawful reason to be there, such as responding to a call about a potentially dangerous situation.
You're a sheriff? Why would you do this? Why did you ever hurt a woman in her house? Why would you do that? This is my house. I didn't do anything. Why would you do that? Get off me! Get off me! He has no right to be in my house. Take it off me now. It goes against every single right as a human. Get off my house! Take it off me now! Now! You pieces of Why would you do that?
Please, thank you.
Why would you do that? I'm in my house. You guys are... No, I'm not leaving my house.
That's it. You good?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, I'm good. And then she did this roll move. And dude, I'm not going to punch her in the face. I'm done.
Effie is arrested and waiting in the police vehicle, but let's take a look at what was happening with Andrew during her arrest.
Okay, walk over there.
House in my face.
Walk over here.
So I walk over there.
Thank you.
My husband did nothing.
You and I are in agreement
I
that we are both people here.
I have no issues with you. Walk over here.
Come on, man. Come on. Look, she's awful tough, right?
I'm aware. You can
You
relax.
understand
Put your
that.
hands down. We're going to talk over here.
We're not going to.
Walk over here. I just need to have a conversation with you.
Okay.
Stop. Stop. She needs to understand what's happening. Walk over here.
Bro.
Walk over here. You good? Walk over here. Walk over here.
Right?
All right, stand at the front of this car.
You know you there,
Stand
right?
up at the front of this car. What happened between you and your wife tonight?
Is that a question? You're not asking a question.
What happened between you and your wife tonight?
I'm asking you. You make it sound like it's a question.
It was a question. I asked you a
Yeah,
question.
we're all good, bro.
Okay. So, you guys had an argument tonight in front of your friends that are neighbors, correct?
No. I don't know what's going on.
We're 10-4.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Okay. 2249. All right. Did you pull out a gun tonight?
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Non-cooperation from both parties, especially in domestic cases, is not uncommon. Victims may sometimes protect the perpetrator for various reasons, including fear, emotional attachment, or financial dependence. For an arrest to be made, there needs to be probable cause. In this case, if both parties deny the incident and there are no other witnesses or evidence, like physical injuries, weapon recovery, the police may not have sufficient grounds for an arrest.
He's not cooperative. He's also very high. Also.
Yeah, it's the shrooms.
So I was like, hey, did you guys get into an argument today? He was like, that's not even a question. No, it is. Did you guys get into an argument? It's not even a question. I don't know. Okay. Did you pull out a gun? You tell me.
No.
Okay. So we're there. All right, you can get out. All right, sir. We can walk back over here.
Tell me what's going on,
Yep,
man?
absolutely. We can walk back over here and put your hands down. All right, we were over here to investigate a crime, okay? But you're not giving us a lot of information.
You're not giving me a lot of information.
You got into an argument with your wife.
Okay.
Allegedly, you pulled out a gun.
Doubtful.
That's what the investigation is for.
Okay.
Okay?
So look, tell me what you think's going on. Let's cut to the chase, bro.
Okay.
All right,
you got into an argument with your wife, with two neighbors present, and then you walked away and came back with a gun in your hand.
Things that would never happen.
Okay.
All right. Look, thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
I appreciate your time for coming out here and scaring the out of my entire neighborhood for dude. It never happened.
Okay. Well.
No.
I'll let you know.
No.
Your wife is being arrested. So
fine.
She's going to jail.
Look, why is she being arrested?
For battery on a law enforcement officer.
Why is she being arrested? Because you came into my house and then you took her down. Let's be honest about what happened. You, sir, are a shameful bastard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
Give me a card. Give me a card. Give me everything. She stood up for her family and you took her down. You're a shame. That's what happened. Nothing happened except you're a shameful officer. You. That's what happened. You.
Effie got charged with resisting arrest and battery on an officer.
How are you doing?
Even who's the driver of this car? You are. Okay. So, do you need fire rescue? We got them coming, but you alright? Okay. Just making sure.
I mean, I just want to...
You wanted what?
No rescue.
Do you have any passengers in the car?
No.
No, just you? You're the only person in the car? Alright. Cool. Just hang out over here. Alright? Airbags? Airbag deployment?
I'm sorry?
Did your airbags deploy? Your airbags, did they deploy?
Yes, they did. Yeah, I cannot get to her.
That's fine. You saw her come out of the vehicle from the driver's seat?
Yes, we were standing here.
Both of you?
Yeah, we were checking on her, making sure she was okay, and then she was able to get out. She opened the door herself and got out.
Sit in the back of your car.
What do you need?
Just sit at the back of your car.
Okay, what else?
Just need your driver's license, insurance, and registration, but I will come and get that from you. That's what I'm saying, hang out at the back of your car. I'm sure you and I already both know that. That's fine. Just sit in the back of your car for me. Just sit in your trunk.
I'm
okay?
fine.
Please sit at your trunk. Okay? And you called immediately, right?
I did. I mean, well, once we got here.
I literally.
I need you to relax and just hang out by your car, please.
I'm hanging out right now.
All okay? Because I don't want to hold you up. I appreciate your time and 100%. All right.
Yeah.
And I appreciate your time too. I want to get home to my daughter.
All right.
I literally do.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Can I get home to my daughter,
You
please?
just caused a serious crash. You're not going anywhere.
No, actually, no.
Yes, 100%.
That is definitely not what I did.
All right, so what happened here? What happened from your perspective?
I definitely did not cause that.
All right, so why is your car's front end smashed in with debris all over the place? Your car is leaking oil everywhere.
That is definitely not my issue.
Oh, it definitely is. Moreover, this is where her problems actually start because of her behavior. The young lady in the video has crashed an expensive Bentley, but it seems she is not overly concerned about it. Or, as the police officer suggested in the conversation with a witness, perhaps she is simply too influenced by something to be aware or worried. We will get the answer in what follows, and now comes the part where she stops being calm and polite and starts displaying an I am above the law attitude.
Driver of this?
Yeah, and I have real witnesses.
It's me. Please.
Okay.
Sorry,
Okay,
10-4 on real
I want to
witnesses.
go home.
Okay, you can't go home right now. You're in the middle of an intersection.
Absolutely.
Okay, when we get done, we'll get you home, okay?
Absolutely. What do you guys
10-4
need
on
from
real
me?
witness.
License,
What do you-
registration, and insurance.
No problem.
I'm just letting you know 10-4 on real witness.
What's that?
10-4 on real witness.
Okay, got it. All right, you're gonna have to stick around. I need your cooperation. I don't need you to have an attitude. All right,
Absolutely not.
please.
Absolutely.
This Officer Khan, he's gonna stand by with you until we get the accident investigation rolling. Okay?
Absolutely.
Got it.
Thank you. Next time, maybe next time, you don't do that.
Don't do what?
It's not worth it.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Trust me, it's not worth it.
Okay, take your word for it.
I'm telling you right now, it's not worth it. So next time, it's not worth it. Trust me.
You're the registered owner of that car? It's your car, like it's in your name? Just a yes or no question. Okay.
Don't be a d*** though. Just don't be a d***
Is
though.
it female oral?
Oh my god, you are. Just don't be a d***.
No,
go?
careful. No, you're not going anywhere.
Excuse me?
There's a traffic crash. You're in that. That's your vehicle. You're the driver of it, right? You were just involved in a serious crash.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yes, because you're involved in a serious traffic crash.
What is wrong with you? You're
doing my
a
job.
very weird person.
Okay.
I'm not going anywhere.
No, you're not going anywhere at all. Because you keep asking, you can go. If you can go, I'm telling you no.
Okay. You're a very interesting person.
You're not going anywhere. You make one more step towards the road, I'm putting you in cuffs and sitting you down.
Cuffs?
Yes, you will be going in handcuffs.
In cuffs?
Yes, ma'am. If you try and walk into that roadway, we'll be putting you in handcuffs.
Oh.
I'm warning you right now. So step back towards the light post.
Get the f*** back. I'm taking that car.
You're not going anywhere. That car's not even moving. It's been in a serious traffic crash. The engine is total.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not. Do you even realize where you're at right now?
No.
All right, well, that's half the problem.
What's wrong with that f***ing car?
Look at it. You just got
It
involved in
looks-
a serious traffic crash. Your whole engine bay is pressed inward.
That looks terrible.
Yes, it is, because it's not mobile, and you were just involved in a crash.
Okay. What would you like to do?
You're going to stay here until we start the traffic crash investigation.
You have a great f***ing night.
You are not going anywhere. All right.
You're a f***ing idiot. Get the f*** away from me.
Car's off the 12 attention fight. Ma'am, get over here. Sit.
I have to
Give
use
me
the
your hand.
bathroom. I'm going to use the bathroom.
What?
I need to use the bathroom.
Yeah.
I am going to use the bathroom. Get the
Yo.
f*** away from me. I am going to use the bathroom.
You're not going anywhere. Stop.
I am going to use the bathroom.
What?
Get away from me.
Nope.
Why is he being a f***ing idiot?
He keeps trying to walk off.
You're gonna have to stop right now.
Sir.
Okay, or you're gonna be put in custody. You're gonna have to stop. Do you understand
Sir?
that? Do you
No.
understand that? No, you're gonna have to. Just listen to me. All right? We're conducting an investigation, and you're gonna have to just have a seat. I told you you're gonna have to wait, right?
Absolutely not.
No, absolutely.
My lawyer is going to be here. You will not put your hands on me.
The officer conducting the investigation quickly suspected a DUI, and the fact that she insists she can drive a totaled car only further confirms the officer's suspicions. She's visibly frustrated by the situation she has caused, but it seems that she is simply bothered by the fact that the officer is exerting authority over her. Her attempts to leave the scene and persistent efforts to obstruct the officers in their investigation can be classified as obstructing justice or obstructing a law enforcement officer. The officers gave her every chance to comply, but enough is enough.
Yep, that's what I was trying to do. So whatever way to do it, and we'll go in that. Hey, stop. There we go. There we go.
You guys are gonna be so.
Okay, not worried about it. Nope.
Do you understand?
Bring your hand back behind your back.
Do you understand how?
So you're gonna have to put your hands behind your back.
No.
Yep.
Why am I?
Yep.
No.
Because you're resisting.
No.
Because all we asked you to do was stand here.
No.
And you started to walk away.
No.
And then you want to resist. Let's go. That's fine.
You. I do not. No.
Double lock now?
No. No.
Make sure she can't.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
I did nothing. I did nothing. I did nothing.
Okay.
I did nothing.
We're trying to help you.
No.
You don't want to listen.
I did nothing. No, I did nothing. I did nothing wrong, and you're a f*** for days.
10 guards.
You did nothing. I did nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Go right now. You're trying to run
For
away.
nothing. I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Yeah,
Come on, get up.
Get off.
Come on. There we go. Yeah.
I'd like to talk about it.
All right. We tried talking to you about it. And you girl's got some heels on. Yeah. You have to spin her. There we go. Yeah.
Stop it. Enough. What's the reason?
Sit back.
What's the reason? I want to go home. I'm tired.